Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 10A. We have done question number 1, question number 2, question 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have done question 1 to 6. Today we have to start question number 7. We use Pythagoras theorem to solve these questions. Pythagoras theorem means Pythagoras theorem consists of triangle. This is right angle triangle, and this triangle consists of three sides: hypotenuse, opposites, and adjacent. Got it? We use Pythagoras theorem by the formula hypotenuse square equal to the sum of hypotenuse square equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Got it? Now we have to start question number 7. The statement of question number 7 in the figure. This is the figure. Got it? In the figure, angle PQS, it's mean angle at point Q is the center one, that's why angle at point Q equal to angle QRS. It's mean angle at point S equal to 90 degree. Okay, look here, at point Q and at point S angle equal to 90 degree. Got it? These one Q and S angle equal to 90 degree. Given that PQ equal to 4.5 centimeter, where is PQ? This one PQ. This is 45. This is 45 centimeter. And QR, where is QR? And this one is QR equal to 30 centimeter. And PS equal to 53 centimeter. Where is PS? This one PS equal to 53 centimeter. Find the length. Which we find the length? First we find the length of QS. Where is QS? This one. First we find this length QS. Got it? And in the second part we find the length of SR. Where is SR? And this one is SR. Got it? Triangle is given. There are two triangles, and this is first triangle and this is second triangle. There are two triangles. This one is first triangle and this one is second triangle. First we find the value of QS. This one first we find the value of QS. Second we find the value of SR. Second we find the value of SR. Okay, now we start question. Exercise 10A, question number 7. The figure is given here. On triangle PQ, we take triangle. In triangle PQS, this is P, this is Q, and this is S. We take first triangle, this one. We also draw here. We take this triangle, this one. This is the whole triangle, and we take this part, this one, triangle, just like this. This is 45 centimeter. This is P, this is Q, and this is S, 53 centimeter. We take this triangle, this part of triangle. In angle of Q equal to 90 degree. There is also given in statement angle at point Q equal to 90 degree. Okay, and you know that PQ equal to 45 centimeter and PS equal to, by the statement, 53 centimeter. Got it? Now by using Pythagoras theorem, this is 90 degree angle. The opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. It's mean PS square equal to the sum of square of two sides, PQ square plus PQ square plus QS square. Okay, now what is the value of PS square? Look here, this is 53 centimeter. And what is the value of QS? There is no value. We find the value of QS, then QS square is PAS. The value of PS square is equal to 53 centimeter, and the value of PQ equal to 45 centimeter. This is PQ. The value of PQ is 45 centimeter. plus the value of QS is not here, we find the value of QS square. Okay, now we open the square. Now open the square of 53 square, then we get 2809 something. Now we open the square of 45 square, then we get 2025 plus QS square is as it is. This is add. When we convert into the other side, it will be subtract QS square. Now we subtract this, then we get the value of QS square equal to 784. This is square. Now taking square root on both sides, then QS square equal to 784. These are the square root. Square cancel with square root, then QS equal to 28 centimeter. Got it? It is very simple and easy. After this, now you come on second part. In the second part, we find the value of RS. We find the value of R and S. We find the length of QS. The QS is 28 centimeter. Now we find the length of RS. Then we take the triangle of QRS. Got it? We also draw this triangle. This one, QRS. At a point S, this is 90 degree. This is second part. Okay, in triangle QRS is a triangle, angle at S equal to 90 degree. Again, we find the value of QS. This is 28 here centimeter, and QR is given 30 centimeter. And we find the value of RS. Got it? QS, we find the value of QS in first part. This is 28 centimeter, and QR is also given. This is 30 centimeter. We find the value of RS. Okay, now QS equal to 28 centimeter and QR equal to 30 centimeter, and we find the value of SR या RS. Using Pythagoras theorem, okay, this is 90 degree angle. The opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. It means this is hypotenuse. QR square equal to QS square plus SR square. Got it? 90 degree angle, the opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse, so that QR square equal to QS square plus SR square. Now put the value of, what is the value of QR square? This is 30 centimeter square equal to QS square is 28 centimeter square plus what is the value of RS? We find the value of RS square. Now we open square. The square of 30 is, I think so, 900, and the square of 28 is 784 plus SR square. This is in the form of addition. When we convert into the other side, it will be subtract. Now we subtract this, then SR whole square equal to, I think so, 116. Now we open square, then by taking square root, so then the value of SR is 10.8 centimeter. This is your answer. So that the value of SR is this one. The value of SR is 10.8 centimeter. Got it? Just like look here, we find out the value. The value of SR is 10.8 centimeter. It is simple and very easy. There is no difficult. This is just like previous question. Got it? And this question consists of two parts. First one, we find the value of QS, and second one, we find the value of RS. There is no difficulty. Got it? Now you come on next question. This is last question. This question in the form of figure. Just like look here. This figure is also consist of triangle, and this triangle is also consist of two parts. First triangle and then second triangle. This triangle separate from TH. Okay, now I read the statement. The figure show an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Got it? Just like here, these two sides are equal. TUV, where is T? This is T, this is U, and this is V. This is triangle. Where TU and TV, these are the same side, because this is isosceles triangle and these two sides are equal. This is 9.6 centimeter, then this is also 9.6 meter, not centimeter, meter. Okay, just like TU, this one is TU, and TV equal to 9.6 meter. Okay, and UV, where is UV? This is U and this is V. The total length of UV is 15.4 meter. Find the length of TH. We find the length of TH. We take any one triangle. We take triangle THU, या we also take triangle THV. It's your choice. आप किसी भी एक ट्राइंगल को फॉलो करते हुए आपने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना है. यू आल्सो टेक ट्राइंगल THU एंड यू आल्सो टेक ट्राइंगल THV. Got it? It's your choice. Okay, firstly, 15.4 is the total length of UV. Firstly, 15.4 is the total length of UV. We split these length. We divide 15.4 by 2, then we get half length. The value of half length is this, and then the value of half length is this. टोटल लेंथ 15.4 है. हम इसको 2 पे डिवाइड कर देंगे. हाफ लेंथ इस ट्राइंगल की आ जाएगी, देन हाफ इस ट्राइंगल की आ जाएगी. Got it? Then we find the value by using Pythagoras theorem. Simple as that. Okay, now come on question. Just like this is triangle and this is isosceles triangle. 9.6 meter, 9.6 meter and 15.4 meter. TUV, this is the total length. TUV is 15.4, and we find the length of T. This one is H. Here this is 90-degree angle. This is H. Okay, solution. This is question number 8. Okay, H is this is the midpoint of UV. You will also write here H is the midpoint of UV. H is the midpoint of UV because H is made at the length of UV. Okay, H, for example, we find the length of HV. Yeah, we find the length of HU. You also written HV and you also written HU. It's your choice. I write HU. I take this one triangle. HU equal to 15.4. It's divided by 2. Then you divide this. You get 9.6 meter. It means the length of HU is 9.6 and the length of HV is also 9.6 and the total length is 15.4. Got it? Now we take this triangle THU. You also take triangle THV. It's your choice. Okay, in triangle THU, at point H, at H equal to 90 degree, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse, and this is hypotenuse, and this is TU. You also write here TU whole square equal to sum of sides of these two sides, TH square plus UH square. Now we put the value. What is the value of TU? This is 9.6 meter square. And what is the value of TH? We find the value of TH. And what is the value of UH? We find the value of UH. This is 9.6. Sorry, this is after dividing we get 7.7, not 9.6. You just correct it. When we divide 15.4, then we get 7.7. It's mean this is 7.7 and this is also 7.7. This is calculation mistake. When we divide by 215.4, then we get 7.7. got it? It's mean the value of HU equal to 7.7. sorry. Now we open square. The square of 9.6 is 92.16, and we find the value of th. This is as it is, plus the square of 7.7 is I think 59.29. This is in the form of addition. When we convert into the other side, it will be divide. Now we divide this. Now we subtract this. This is subtract. This is addition. When we convert into the other side, it will be subtract, not divide, sorry, because this is in the form of addition. Now we subtract this, then we get th square equal to 32.9. okay, this is in the form of square. Now we open, taking square root on both sides. You also write here taking square root on both sides. This is square root 32.8 whole square. Square cancel with square root, then we get the value of th is 5.73 meter. This is your answer. It's mean the length of th is 5.73 meter. Okay, the value of th, this one is 5.73 meter. This is your answer. It is very simple and easy. Just there is only one different point. The value of uv will be divided into two parts. By dividing 2, then we get 7.7 and 7.7. then you take any triangle. You also take triangle thu, and then you also take triangle thv. It's your choice, and find out the value of th. got it? If you have any problem, then please inbox me. Thank you.